Okay. So we'll just start in 5 minutes.
Sure.
So have you been doing trading since then or not?
And actually, so after taking that knowledge from you, I passed on that knowledge to my father, and he's doing really great in that. Like he's really very active in that trading thing, all those things. I'm
Okay.
not doing. Basically, I passed on that knowledge and everything which you taught me to my father, and he's doing it
Okay.
because
So
I got into college and now I'm working, so I didn't get time.
okay. Okay. So now the crypto market has been going up massively and has been increasing crazily, and there are a lot of opportunities lying there in the markets, in the crypto markets, and we are just trying to cash it on. That is the main thing that we are trying to do. Just we will try our best and we'll try to make out money. Ah. So everybody can write in the chat box. If everyone can hear me, am I audible to everyone? बस chat box में सब लिख लें. Yes, okay. So crypto market has been going up massively, and there are a lot of opportunities lying there. I was just telling that to Monik only, and we can really make a lot of money out of it. And I really advise people to join into crypto market. Frankly, I have taught a lot of people stock markets, and now as compared to crypto markets, I feel that stock markets are dying out a little bit and give you boring returns. Like eventually what happened was 5-10 years ago or 15 years ago, we were getting around 10% in FD returns. So when we were investing in FD, we were getting around 10% or 8%, 9%, and that has been reducing because of the repo rates and all that. So eventually, stock market is delivering you decent returns if you are invested at the correct moment. It can deliver you around 20, 30, 40% returns on an annual basis, but crypto markets can be a beast and gives you 10 time, and it can deliver 10 times more returns as compared to stock market. So if you're making around 20 to 30% returns in 1 month, in 1 year, you will be able to do that in approximately 1 month, provided you are taking the right steps and doing your research properly, and you will be able to make decent returns in the markets. So we'll just start the session now. So we'll be discussing about crypto markets and how you guys can get started, and so we'll be doing some really real time things also, so that you can just get on board and start your journey. You are here and I'm here so that you guys can make money and I can also make money. So that is the main motive ki bhai, doing this seminar, giving your half an hour or 40 minutes to the seminar should give you some value, and you should be able to make out something from this seminar. So we will be doing some real time things also. I will be showing you a lot of screens, and before we start the session, I would like to tell you, because there have been a lot of situations that people have been trading online on the desktop portal, but now since crypto market is there and everything has shifted to apps, in the current scenario, apps are everything. So right now, in the current scenario, I advise people to start trading on apps only, and you will be able to do a massive analysis, and the analysis will be very quick as compared to trading on desktops or computers or laptops. So moving on, let's understand and move further. I will be telling you a little bit about myself. So I am Siddhant Goyal. I have 13 years of experience in trading, and around 12 uh, 12 to 11 years of experience in teaching people. I've trained more than 10,000 students, delivered lectures at various colleges, prestigious colleges in Delhi University, Amity University, etc., etc. And other than that, like various colleges like SRCC, Gargi, and DU, many colleges of DU. I'm in the area advisory board of Amity University, as in the courses that get delivered to Amity students are. I'm a part of that team, and I help the core team to decide what students will be learning. So I'm in that part in Amity University, in some of the colleges. and I have 4 years of experience in trading in the crypto markets and 4 years of experience mining cryptos. So I have built computers, and Sachit really helped me out with his GPU miner, GPU cards and all, which helped me mine a little bit of Ethereum and all. So thank you, Sachit. He's there. He's listening to me. If you can listen to me, and you can just reply on the chat that yes, you did send me the GPUs. So thank you for that. And other than that, I've got a YouTube channel with around 18,000 subscribers, along with 600 plus videos on stock markets now, which are shifting on to crypto markets because I see there is a lot of opportunity in the crypto markets. And I've got some courses on Udemy that are related to stock markets and mutual funds and investments and all that. So majorly, I am into complete finance, be it tax planning, be it mutual funds, insurance, stock markets, financial planning, and personal finance management. So I look at all those portfolios. And yes, so this recording, I will not be sharing the recording. I will be most probably I'll be putting this recording up online later on my YouTube channel, FinLife, that is. So moving further, so the main reason why we are here is to understand and clear the thought that many people are thinking that cryptos can be banned in India. If yes, if you feel that yes, this is a big question, just write it down in the chat section so that I can so that we can make it a interactive session. So there are a lot of people who feel that crypto markets are very risky right now, majorly because of the fact that Indian government can ban it. So I have got some points here which are really relevant to the Indian markets right now, and what will happen if cryptos are banned in India. So firstly, we will be given 6 months of time. 6 months of time will be given to all investors to take out their money. So you can be so yeah, it is possible. Yeah. So you can be sure about that, because around 2 to 3 months ago, the Indian government said this, that all it was really thinking on banning it. So it uh, Nirmala Sitaraman and someone so said this, that all the investors and the people invested in crypto markets will be given around 6 months to take out their funds or withdraw their funds. So on that front, your money will not be blocked and you will be able to take it out, because people did face such crisis in 2017 or 18 ending, when the crypto markets were banned in India. But now the the finance ministry is looking at it as a perspective for people to grow their money also. So that's why, and they don't want anyone's money to be stuck in the market. So all the funds will be available for withdrawal for the next 6 months in case the news for banning cryptocurrency comes up. Secondly, the prices of investments will not fall massively, majorly because it is a global market. So majorly, recently we've seen Turkey shutting down and banning cryptocurrencies. We did see a correction in the Bitcoin prices by around 10%, but other than that, nothing really happened, and it gave opportunity to many people to jump into the coins and cash on it. So that is what happened. So being a global market, it is not India. Okay, it is substantial. India has a investment of approximately 10,000 crores right now, which is peanuts. The total market cap of the whole cryptocurrency market is around 1.8 trillion dollars. That is approximately, अगर इसको रुपए में convert करें, तो it will be approximately 1.8 trillion dollar will be around um, 1 lakh crore, 1 crore crore. So it will be 1 lakh crore. It will be approximately 1 crore crore. So I don't know how to say it, but that is the thing. But so we have a question here from Manik that, but if everyone knows that the government is going to ban it in 6 months, then the prices will drop drastically. Ban? No, I'm not saying that it is going to ban it in 6 months. I'm not saying that. It is not. The government is not going to ban it in 6 months. The If the government bans, it will be six. Yeah, people will start selling it, but you will always have an option to transfer it to international accounts and sell it off. Yeah, of course, we are too small in the ecosystem to impact the price, because we are 1.5, we are invested around 1.5 billion dollars only, and the market cap, as I told you, is 1.88 trillion dollars. Yeah. So moving further, we have that current brokerage firms are working with the Indian government to set up regulations, and so that people can invest properly, and the government is also regulated and regulating the markets. So there won't be any problems, and we are seeing a good future in the crypto markets. On approximately 30th March, what happened was the Indian government told us that government told us that they are planning and regulating, trying to regulate the apps and all the exchanges right now available in the markets right now. So that was an excellent strategy for people to jump into the coins, because after that you can see the trends, and we will be seeing the trends from 27th March. The Bitcoin market started growing up, and Indian investors also jumped into a lot of coins. So we've got 2 3 questions here, that let's say government bans, then crypto is not for long term. No, it is definitely for long term. Crypto is like till eternity now, so it is not going anywhere anytime soon. So you don't have to worry about that. There are a lot of opportunities. So I'm just trailing down the points and I will tell you about it. So India will lose out on the development and the growth of the blockchain, eventually making investors lose out on massive opportunities in the market. So this is one thing that can happen agar बंद हो जाती है crypto market और ban हो जाता है. So what will happen is that uh, people and the investors will not be able to make money. Right now there are a lot of people who have invested in crypto markets and have made millions of rupees. So there is this South Indian guy who bought NFT for $70 million. He's a Bitcoin billionaire. Maybe you guys have seen it online. So NFT एक तरीके का आप कह सकते हो coin है, तो वो बाद में हम discuss करेंगे. तो उसको he purchased it for $70 million, and he's a Bitcoin billionaire. He started in 2013. So there are a lot of people who are making a lot of money. And from India, a lot of people have been mining also. In 2017 also, I set up a complete mining rig, and I was able to make around half Ethereum every 15 days. Right now the price of Ethereum is around $2,700. That time it was $1,000. I was able to make $500 every 15 days. I set up a big rig, and from that I was able to mine bitcoins, and I was able to get the money in my wallet. So that is one more thing. Indian government also doesn't want that investors lose out on that opportunity of making money. That is also a big reason why it won't ban it, or maybe it just regulates it. Yeah, actually it will be really super stupid, and it's like a revolution. Definitely the blockchain technology in itself, it's excellent, it's massive, and I will be telling you a little bit about businesses that are running on blockchain technologies and how revolutionary they are. Moving on to the fifth point, taxation. Bahar ki countries mein taxation is like that. For example, in UK, if we talk about UK, it taxes all the customers or making money on the profitability only. It taxes around 20% on the profits that are made. So, for example, if someone has invested 1,000 rupees or $1,000 or £1,000 or whatever in cryptocurrencies and sold it at, let's say, $1,200 or pounds or whatever. So he's made a profit of 200, and on that 200, he or she has to just uh, give tax of approximately 20%, around 40 rupees or $40, whatever. And uh, it's white money, it's like clear, so you don't have to worry about anything. So your money is in your bank account, you can use it for whatever you want. So this is also one major reason why why the government is uh, I don't know why the government is not regulating it, because if it regulates, it will be able to get a lot of tax. Uh, it will be able to get a lot of taxes in the form of cryptocurrencies. If the government doesn't tax it, doesn't regulate it, what can happen is that people will, that is the sixth point, people will start moving their money in the offshore accounts. And if one really feels that India will ban it, so it can be done easily. People can transfer money from Indian wallets to international wallets, which are untraceable. That is the main reason why the Indian government is planning to ban it, because it can be used for various other activities which are not legal, or like it can be used for funding terrorism and many other things. But in case you regulate it properly, and and you maybe put in a lot of you put in some restrictions, but let people trade, let people invest and make money from the crypto market. So this is one thing that is very important, and these are the most important parameters. And if anyone asks you, you can just clearly tell them that these are some of the points by because of which the crypto markets will not be banned. So you can just have a yeah. So obviously you can use cash also, but cryptos also you can use. So it can be used for hacking and various other things. Okay, so moving further, now we'll be talking about a little bit about the returns that we can see. So had you invested $1,000 5 years ago in the crypto markets and in other assets, so we are comparing here. So Nifty and Sensex lie somewhere between the Google and Amazon. So if you see here, if you had invested $1,000 in gold, you would have been getting around 1.3K right now. So you would have just made a profit of $300. Whereas in Google, if you would have invested $2,000 profit, Amazon $3,800 profit. So invested $1,000 5 years ago. Right now, the value of that money in Ethereum would have been $216,000. That is massive. So 200x approximately. And there are still a lot of opportunities lying out in the market which can deliver you such returns. So I have personally seen many coins which have zoomed up like this. I have been invested in some of them and it has been crazy. So there are a lot of strategies which you need to understand before you jump into the markets, and you analyze them. You need to analyze the markets, and you need to be on a practical front, and you just have to control your emotions if you want to make good money out of crypto markets. So that is one thing, and majorly there are two parameters. Firstly, the parameter is that people have two strategies. One is trading and one is holding. So holding in terms of crypto markets is called hodl. Hodl because it was this term was coined mainly because someone made a typo and it was like hold on for dear life. So that was the meaning of this hodl thing. So that's why I bought a domain hodlschool.com and I'm setting it up, and it will be live very soon. So moving on, there are various platforms. Let's discuss a little bit about the platforms here and try to understand what kind of how we can just how we can get started and how we can understand it. So just give me a second. I would like you guys to if you guys can just download the apps or use it. So not download the apps, maybe register right now. So I'm writing it down. I'm giving some of the links here because I'll be showing you live how you can use these apps. So I think everybody. So this is a WazirX apps. We've got 4 apps available majorly: Binance, WazirX, ZepPay, and Unicoin. So I'll be telling you about the benefits of all the apps and why all four of the apps are important. So you can maybe click on the link and just register right now, so that when I show you the screen, maybe you can see it up on your phone or maybe on your laptop or computer, whatever, and you can just follow through. Okay, because maybe you can just minimize the screen a little bit and follow through. Okay, so this is WazirX. You can just click on it and maybe register right now. I'm giving you like 2 minutes. Just click on register, click and register on it. Till then, I'm just setting up the app display so that I can show you how you can use the app and how you can start investing and trading and all that. When you are registering, referral bonuses are approximately 20%. It is shared around 20% or 20-50%. Total referral bonuses are around 50%, and you will be able to get around 20% of it. And I will be able to get 30% out of it. And I will give you another link to register, that is of Binance, and you can use that also. This will also give you somewhat similar opportunities or referral code or signing up bonus or something like that. So let's go onto the screen. And so are you guys now able to see the phone screen? Obviously, I see the vision behind the technology. It is awesome, and it can be used to make a lot of money also and regulate a lot of things. So in 2019, I think Moscow did the voting of Moscow was done through blockchain technology only. So the technology is absolutely phenomenal, and that is the reason why it is not going anywhere. So now is it okay? Everyone can see it. So now talking about, I hope you've gone and so I have the phone in my hand, and now whatever I'll be doing on the phone, you will be able to see on the screen, happening live on the screen. So I will be briefing you a little bit about WazirX app. And before going on to that, let me just tell you a little bit about, so no, let it be. So we'll discuss about the app first, and then we move on to discussing about the benefits of the apps. Okay. Firstly, going on to WazirX. So here we just open up the app, and we will be able to see. We'll see how we can place trades and make trades, and maybe just figure out how we use the app. So these are various coins available there. Binance coin, that is trading at around 46,200 rupees right now. Bitcoin is trading at 42 lakhs. And first time I saw Bitcoin, it was around um, the lowest I've seen it is around 3 lakhs, and the highest I've seen it is around 49 lakhs. So when is the first time when you saw Bitcoin, and what price did you see it? Can you just write it down uh, on the chat box? When was the first time you saw it? Because I know I've told a lot of people, and a lot of you, some of you have done internships with me also, and I've taught you about Bitcoins. And at that time in 2017, 22 lakhs, 42 lakhs. Okay, 40,000 in 2017. Oh, such a 50,000. 50,000. Are you talking in 50,000 rupees? Oh, good, good, good. So great. And acha, at the time of demonetization, actually, res, you're correct. At the time of demonetization, yes, it was around this price only, 50,000 or 60,000 rupees. I think. That was no, it was at around 50,000 rupees. No, I doubt it. Might be. I don't know. So moving on to the app, let's talk about the app. So here we can see the app, and the app is moving on, and we can see that if we click on exchanges here, we can see all the coins that are listed here. And if we want to make a trade or purchase any coin, we can just click on BTC. This is a chart here, and on the left side, in the left side corner, we can see the orders that have been placed. So these are all the orders. If you have any questions related to the app, you can mention it in the comment section right now, or the chat section. So these are all the sell prices and the buy prices. So whenever you want to buy the coin, you will buy it at the sell price. Whenever you are buying the coin, this is very important for a beginner to understand. Whenever you are buying a coin, you will buy it at the sell price, and whenever you want to sell the coin, you will be able to sell it at the buy price, because this is the price at which people are wanting to buy, and you will be able to sell at that price if you want to sell it immediately. So this is how you can this is how you can see the buying and selling orders. Moving on, these are all the trades that are happening. I've just clicked on trades in the bottom right, and these are all the trades that are happening here. And other than that, you can see all the orders, my orders, if I don't really have any orders here right now, and the trades that are here. So these are all the trades that are happening at real time and right now. So moving further, let's talk about the coin a little bit more, the app a little bit more. So there are two types of coins. Mainly, most of the coins are called, some of the coins are called spot coins, or fiat coins, fiat currencies. Okay. So they are the coins which don't really move. So we've got majorly two currencies that we trade on. That is USDT, that is USD Tether, and BUSD. So these replicate dollar prices, and they don't really move or fluctuate. These are called stable coins. Okay. So in case you want to keep your cash in your wallet, you can just put it in the, or keep it in the form of INR, or you can keep it in the form of USDT. So these are stable coins. These are very important, and they are very really used a lot. So if you guys have a notebook or pencils, you can just make a note of it. Stable coins are very useful. USDT and BUSD are two coins which are very nice and which are useful. Moving on, so we've got a lot of coins here. Let's see Wink, and let's see the trend, how it has been going up and down. So this is a 1 minute candle here. So I've just clicked on 1 minute. So this is showing 1 minute movement. Right now, what has been the movement, and So moving on to 5 minutes, because 1 minute was not very clear. So let's go into 15 minutes. So you can see that this is a 15-minute chart, and these are 15-minute candles, how the price of the coin has been going up and down. And similarly, you can see 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, etc. etc. So this is the app of WazirX, how you can use it. Let's go on to some other app. Let's go on to Binance. So this is the Binance app. This is a very sophisticated and very advanced app. So you'll get everything, and this is the most uh, traded app, as in most app with the most volume in the world. And WazirX is owned by Binance itself. So in case you want to transfer your coins anytime from WazirX to Binance, Binance is an app that is on international levels. So कभी भी आपको ये लगता है कि भाई बैन हो रहा है या कुछ हो रहा है, just transfer your funds to Binance and your money will be safe. You don't have to worry about anything. Your money will be safe, and there are various ways to take it out. Like you can, whenever you travel abroad or anything, you can just take it out from the ATM only. I've personally done that. I've personally tried it. I had some money, and I went over to Switzerland, and there was an ATM machine. I tried to take out money. Unfortunately, I was short on time and I was not able to take out money at that very moment. But I did all the processes, everything. But because of some error or internet issue in my phone, I was not able to take out. But you can simply take out money from ATM machines easily when you are traveling abroad. So there are a lot of places in Canada, US, in UK, and Switzerland and all. You can take out money directly from ATM machines. You just transfer your coins and you just take it out. So this is the Binance app. You can see the gainers, losers, and 24-hour volume. If you want to find out coins which are really going up and you want to just jump into them and for quick trading and make money, you can just go on and click on the gainers and see the prices of the coins and how massively they have increased. So these are the various coins, out of which I was sitting in some of the coins, and like Bake, I was sitting in Bake and I purchased it. And firstly, I saw Bake at approximately 30 cents. The first time when I saw Bake was around 30 cents. And then it kept on going up, going up, going up. And this has been a story for many other coins. I saw WazirX coin for the first time at 18 cents, and I invested at that price. And then I sold it at 32 cents. Then I again bought it at 50 cents. Right now the price is around $3. So there are massive opportunities lying there in the crypto markets, and you can cash on it. So this is what I wanted to tell you a little bit about the apps. Now let's move on to the slide. And so I hope you can see the screen now and the presentation again. So talking about the benefits of these platforms, if you guys can note it down, it'll be great if you note it down. Binance is not in rupee mode. Yes, it is in rupee mode. You can easily change it to rupee mode. That is not a problem. You can change it out. And Sarthak, do cryptos follow technicals with all the crazy movements they have? And can't you can't really do technical analysis on it? Yeah, you cannot do technical analysis on WazirX because of the volumes and all, but you can technicals work crazily, like crazily on cryptocurrencies, and you will be able to make a lot of money, and the support resistances work really well. So if you want to know more and understand more, you can do our course, which is there, and I'll be telling you about the course also. So moving on to various trading platforms, Unicoin is one platform where you can start a SIP. So if you want to start investing in cryptocurrencies by the form of SIP, you download the Unicoin app, and maybe you can use the referral code also. So I'll just put in the link here. I can just put in the link here, and maybe you guys can use it up and register on it. So it will be a very simple method of investing in cryptocurrencies. If you don't want to put in brains or don't want to do anything, just put money in your Unicoin, and automatically you can schedule your transactions, and Unicoin will create a SIP for you, and automatically money will be invested like you do in a mutual fund. Binance is one of the best apps available there for all the analysis that you want to do, all the leverage that you want to take. So it is one of the best apps in the world right now. WazirX, being a part of Binance, it is a very safe app. Nothing will happen. We don't know about other coins, other apps, but WazirX will be extremely safe when you are investing, and you can simply transfer with one click. You can transfer your money from WazirX to Binance anytime you want to. That is why WazirX is very awesome, and it is great. That is the main reason of WazirX. Talking about ZepPay, it is one of the oldest apps which are there in the market, but WazirX, why I'm talking about WazirX here, sorry, ZepPay here is majorly because ZepPay will give you the best value when you want to sell. So in case, let's say you transfer your money from WazirX to any another other platform, you will be able to sell it off, as in you can use it, as in you can sell off your coins on ZepPay at a higher value. So let's say value of dollar in WazirX is 80 rupees, it will be around 85 rupees in ZepPay. So it is an excellent platform to sell your apps, sell your coins. Okay, moving further, I so in case you want to register for the course, I have a course where we'll be talking about all of this: how you can start analyzing coins, how you can start making money out of coins, what are the nitty gritties you need to see, how you can transfer coins, so that, because there has been a lot of situations where people were not able to transfer their coins properly and their coins were lost. So you need to be very careful when you're transferring coins, and you are buying rates on Zepay would be similar on the other. No, the buying rates won't be similar. So in case you are buying WazirX or coins on WazirX or some other platforms, you will be able to sell it on a higher price at Zepay, provided you transfer the coins here, and there will be a transfer charge. So you can do your calculations and see if it is still benefiting you. Okay, moving on. I hope you guys have registered it, and I've already shown you some app overviews and how you can use the app. Moving on further, let's talk about some trading rules which are there. Don't diversify a lot. If you diversify a lot, you won't be able to make money. Invest in maximum 10 coins. Don't try to move more than that. Maximum 10 coins. And there are two strategies: holding and trading. So we will be talking about this also in the course. You guys can join in the course if you feel like. I will be putting this video on my YouTube channel, and from that also you can join in the course. There will be a link in the description. And further, I can just put it up here also. And if you guys want to register directly, you can register on the course through this link. You can register on the course through this link. So make less money, that is no problem, but don't make a loss. Like Warren Buffett says that never make a loss. Two rules: never make a loss is the first rule, and second rule is never forget the first rule. So it is an excellent code. You don't have to lose money at in any scenario. You can't afford to lose money in any markets, whether it's stock markets, whether it's crypto markets. Don't lose money. Don't leave an opportunity. If you're not able to make money, no problem, but you can't afford to lose money in crypto markets. So whenever, keep your losses small, your stop loss is very small, like 1.5%, and your upsides are really high. So you will be learning strategies how you will be able to find out and pick coins which will deliver such returns. Moving on, in the course you will be learning about investment psychology, which is most important, and understanding how to contain greed and fear, so that you can take informed trades and make profitable trades. You will be understanding apps, trading apps, how you can transfer, how you can reduce your transaction fees, and how you can transfer all the coins. You will be analyzing coins on the basis of fundamental analysis and technical analysis. I had put up some videos, and there are some videos on my YouTube channel also. You can go and check it up, and check my YouTube channel, FinLife Passive Income Generator. You just write on FinLife on YouTube, and you will be able to see a lot of videos. I have more than 600 videos. So you will be learning how to analyze coins, and how to analyze coins, and how to analyze charts to make short-term trades and make money out of it. So that is another thing, how you will be able to what you will be understanding and learning in the course. So, and that's it. So you will be learning a lot of stuff in the course. If you have any doubts, you can just mention right now, and if you don't really have any doubts, we will be ending this session very soon. Any potential multi-bagger coins that you can predict right now? So there are a lot of coins. Bake is one of the coins that I really like a lot. It has already increased quite a bit, and it has a potential to go up also massively. So you can have a look at Bake. So you can have a look at it. It's Bake. Yes, Bake is the coin which is looking pretty good, and you can have a look at it. It is a coin that is there, which helps people and facilitates trading. And if you want to swap your coin or change your coin into some other coin, you can trade it or change it. Any more doubts? Anything? Because we will be ending the session in the next 3 minutes. No, it is not listed on WazirX. Any more doubts, guys? So I think you can see the coin here. You can see the coin here. This is the big coin, and this has been going up massively. Coins which are not listed on other platforms, how can we transfer? So you don't really need to transfer those coins. You can just transfer USDT or Bitcoins or Binance coins or anything, any other coin, and then buy the coins there on the other platform. That's about it. So you can easily transfer coins and purchase or sell the coins anywhere. So it's not necessary. For example, you have a Xerex, you have a, let's say, Win coin or on Wazirex, and you can't transfer it because there are some coins which limit you, which have limitations of transferring. So you can just convert it into USDT and transfer USDT and buy Win coin again. So that is a very simple way. So this is the chart of Bake coin, and so like Sajid asked me, so I'm just showing you this coin. So that's about it for the session. I hope you guys really enjoyed the session and got some good insight into the crypto markets. So they are here for the long term and they are not going anywhere. So don't worry about that. And they will be there. They will be here and forever. And you can just bet on them. Don't worry. You can just invest in them and stay hold. No problems. And you will be able to make a lot of money out of that also. So if you want to analyze, learn more, and want a more structured way and structured way of learning cryptocurrencies, you can join the course. So I hope you guys have copied the link. And if you want, I can just send the link again here, and you can just sign up here if you want to. And the course will be starting on the 5th of May. So thank you so much for joining in. I hope you guys enjoyed the session, and I am just ending the session. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching.